In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Priceline promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to head over to the web browser and search a Priceline promo code and then click on the first website, Los Angeles Times. So once you're on the website, you're going to see many codes. For example, the first one is 50% off your bookings. So let's say you're booking a room in the hotel, you can get a 50% off by this, a $50 off. So you can click view coupon. You're gonna wait for it to load, and this one right here, this code is gonna give you a $50 off your booking. So all you have to do is click copy, click visit Priceline, choose a room, and then you can use this code at checkout. So there are many other codes. For example, promo code which gives you a 20% off plus extra $50 off. So you can click view coupon, and this is a coupon code again, so you can do the same steps, copy and use it at checkout. There are many other codes in this website, so you can just scroll down and see all of them. So for example, 5% off car rentals, $60 off, and so many more. So you can go and give them a try, and as you can see, they're exclusive as well, so they're guaranteed to work. Next, you can head over to this website, CNN Coupons, and once you're here, you're gonna see many other discounts as well. So get a discount of $50. This is the code for that. So this is another $50 off code, so you can click copy, go to the website and use it. So let's see if there are any there. So $5 off express deal with this discount code, and that's okay. So you're automatically gonna get this code when you sign up on their website. So yeah, so alright guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.